Okay, so this is how to remove the 9397 LT1 Camaro harmonic balancer. This is specifically a 94, so I think these ones have a little weird threads. So the puller kit that you buy from AutoZone, the bolts it comes with do not fit. So what I did was, these are my water pump bolts. They're a little loose, but they should be time to get the job done. I actually put some nuts behind them, the strut tower bolts. After you take the, after you break your center bolt loose, you're gonna wanna, you don't want to take it completely out, but you're gonna want to back it up just enough to where this this center piece right here will rest on it, but it won't be, but it'll be inside the hole. That way, when you start pushing, it'll go inside the hole and won't push on the crank pulley. So after you get that, go ahead and start tightening this. I already started a little bit, and you'll know that you're doing it right whenever you start to get a different color back here on the crank hub. See how there's the grime crap, and then you have the shiny silver. That's how you know it's coming out. Okay, now what some problem is because of how short the bolt is inside, you're gonna have to probably take this off again and loosen that center bolt a little more to give you some more room to push. Let me see the camera again. If you look back here, see there's a lot more shiny, more so than the grime shit. I took this off and I went ahead and I backed out the center bolt a little more. So now I'm just putting this back on the head of the thunderbolt, and I'll continue to tighten. Okay, so after you get that main center bolt out, it's not long enough anymore to push on, so you're actually gonna have to replace it with a longer bolt. I used one with that came with the pulley kit, so there's not much more to go. What would be easiest is if you got a really long bolt with the proper threads or a push rod and stuck it in there. Then you should be able to easily get the crank hub out without having to undo this a couple times. There you go. The crank hub.